to feel burned down and down. I've been there sometimes. Tonight I'll make you feel beautiful once again.
As this sun burns out, we ended up on the ground. I want to reach through you.
Yes.